Today we're checking out SML YTP Frozen Jeffy. Let's dive right on in.
Guys, tonight we're gonna gangbang Penelope.
What?
Alright, smoking hot. Kids, this is the ball sucking championship. You guys win this and you guys are gay. Hi, are you guys 12 years old?
No, we like
What?
booty. What number? It's just a number.
Hey man, you know you
Number is a number.
Easy on the kid.
Let me tell you about my black friend.
Alright, smoking hot. Kid, you lost the ball sucking championship. So let's all go.
Murdered 26 people.
Yeah.
Me long time.
What?
I'm so bored. I'm so bored.
What? Oh damn, we're destroying everything now?
Cheesecake.
Oh, Shrek.
This cheesecake's really good, Jeffy.
I put my pee-pee in it.
Ah, okay.
What the? Oh. Oh.
Okay, you know, the cool thing about taking a poop in the bathtub is you get to use your hand for toilet paper.
What is going? Oh. Jeffy's in the fridge.
I like cheese.
Or is that the freezer?
All right, let's see what we have to drink.
Oh. It's frozen.
Marvin, that dinner was amazing!
Glad you had a good time.
Mario, it's really quiet. What's Jeffy doing?
Jeffy, get in here.
Up.
Hey there.
Hi, Jeffy. How was your day?
Jeffy,
Oh,
I need to
Chef
talk to
Pee-Pee's
you.
under there.
I'm sorry for touching your boobies.
Nigga, what?
What?
What is this? Mario, you cheated on me! What?
Cheated?
No, don't leave me. Mario. I just
What?
hit my life.
What's going on? I thought.
I guess I can go ahead and get a head start on ripping my butthole hairs out.
I don't feel so good.
Oh, he melted.
Plunge my butthole.
What the fuck? So,
Every single day I gotta clean up the kitchen. But I'm screaming at me saying,
well, Shrek's gonna get his revenge.
He's the monster I live with. That's the reason why I quit, cause I just reached my limit. The struggle is real, I need a new job. I worked as a plumber and I once was a cop. I shot a black guy and I planted a gun by his leg. I quit the plumber job cause I got poop on my head. Instead of calling Cinderella, got
Jeffy kinda got what he deserved, not gonna lie. Hey guys, click on this video. You'll enjoy it, I swear.